Open the Microsoft Store on your PC. On the search bar, type WhatsApp and hit Enter. Select the first app that appears on the search result. Click Install. On the bottom left, click Library to see the download progress. When the download is complete, click Open. Click Get Started to begin setting up WhatsApp. Select Link with phone number to set up with phone number. You can also choose to link with QR code and scan the code with your mobile phone. WhatsApp has been successfully installed on your PC. Subscribe for more fantastic tech insights.